Here I have ARCHOS Access 101, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer feature on this device. So first of all, you have to open camera, and to enable timer you have to tap on the gear here to open camera settings, and you tap here and select self timer, and here is the timer. You can set it on 2 seconds or on 10 seconds. Let's set it on 2 and try to make a photo. As you can see, timer worked, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.